Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations here are coming from. But want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend. And update's probably not the right word. Maybe confirmation would be more of an accurate term, because there's nothing really new to update in terms of levels of support and resistance. I mean, the level I talked about in yesterday's video on Thursday, still a level of support down here at 1665. The area of resistance, still considered an area of resistance, up there right around $19.20. But what I would, the main point that really stands out is the price did a good job of maintaining the gains and starting to absorb, the nice price movement that occurred. Because let me state the obvious real quick, from where it was here to that move right there, that was a very, very nice move. And this will mean more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, then I know you've seen stocks that do indeed make good moves. But then all of a sudden, none of those moves can be maintained. And all of a sudden, the price is, right back to where it started, or, sometimes even lower. But that wasn't the case here. So I get it that the price movement today was kind of quote unquote boring, just because all the price did was go sideways. But relatively speaking, from more so a bigger picture perspective, it's good to see that the price is working on chipping away and building those higher bases. And that's really what matters, assuming, of course, you care about more so the grand scheme of things. So again, going into next week, key level of resistance up there at $19.20. Level of support down there right around $16.70. There may be some sort of channel that's starting to take place, based on those levels that I've talked about. But we'll have to sit back and see what happens. But overall, with a nice bounce and then maintaining the bounce and starting to chip away at those higher bases, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.